Hello again, y'all. I am about to do my drawers again. It is the next morning after the first video that I have uploaded on my drawers situation. I decided that I was going to keep going and not put it off. Enjoy, and let's get started. Bella May is here with us this morning. She loves this chair. This is basically her chair. In case you can't tell, it's a little hairy and nasty because she likes to shed. She's mixed with 6 different breeds, and a lot of them have a lot of hair. Hey, can you, stop cleaning yourself for 1 second and look at the camera? Bella May? Oh, you're so cute! She's literally just the preciousest thing. I love her so much. Now we're going to see what we have to deal with here. Oh goodness. This might take a while. Also, again, in case y'all are wondering, these are airsoft pistols, not real ones. I'm going to get a real one at some point though. It would be very nice to have a boyfriend who practices quite a bit and he has a pistol or 2 of his own. So he will be helping me out when it comes time to learn to shoot a real one. I've definitely practiced a few times. I've gone to the range and stuff a little bit, but I could use a lot more practice. Alright, now I'm gonna start taking stuff out. Oh my goodness, I have so many books and stuff in here. This book, by the way, I've had since I was probably 4 years old. We've had this one for so long. I love it because they have everybody get on the ark and more animals disappear. The little faces and stuff. I always loved touching the faces because they just feel so satisfying, I guess you could say. I don't know if y'all have read those books where they have stuff that pops out or has fur or whatever, but oh, Bella's showing some interest. What do you think? What do you think? I never clean. I know, it's the weirdest thing to see me do. Okay, here we go. Here is me when I was I think I was 15. I used to take English writing lessons. Really not my favorite. I much prefer Western. I cleared it all up. Now it's time to try and figure out where all this is gonna go and how it's gonna fit back in here a lot nicer than it was before. And look at how cute my Bella May is. Can we just see how adorable you are? You good girl? Yeah, you're adorable, Bella May. So I was just reading through this. I started writing it in 2014. Oh my goodness, my handwriting was a little sad, but I used to do half hearts over my eyes. It was the weirdest thing, and then I switched to full hearts, and I didn't stop doing that until I was 15 or something crazy like that. You can see that. Those are really sad hearts. But anyway, and I signed it Princess Lexi. Oh goodness gracious. I thought it was funny because this last entry I put in was from 2019. And I was writing how I was trying to organize my desk, which I find, funny because I'm literally doing that right now. But anyway, just thought y'all would find that amusing. I think my mom bought me this a year ago and I still have not opened it. That goes to show you how little I use makeup. I'm honestly not sure how all this stuff ended up looking absolutely horrible because it really did not take me that long to put the stuff back in nicely. And it's all fitting pretty well. So I guess I must have just shoved a bunch of stuff in last minute and never came back to it. But look at how nice that is. Those are all my notebooks and books and stuff that I need to go through at some point. That's all my garbage and whatever. But there's only a little bit of random loose stuff that I'm probably not even going to put back in there, honestly. Okay, here's the official reveal. Really did not take that long, and it looks so much better. Very glad I got that done. And now, I need to work on this. This is cleared. Look it's my camera from when I was like 8 to 11 years old. There it is, y'all. Done. That was definitely my fastest drawer so far. I have a couple notebooks to add to this little pile now. Just put them on the bottom because they're kind of big. Oh no. I dropped my little princess diary book. I don't think I showed you on the back yesterday. But, alright, there we have it. 3 drawers completed. Well, that is all for this video. Tomorrow, hopefully, I will be able to make another one of organizing my next 2 drawers, which I'm pretty positive are kind of the worst ones. The next 3 that I do are gonna be pretty rough. I'm not really looking forward to that, but it'll be fun, especially bringing y'all along with me. So remember, read your Bible today if you haven't already, and talk to God throughout the day, whether it is through good old praying, or whether you write out a prayer, or even worshiping Him through singing or playing an instrument. I need to get back to playing guitar as I'm thinking about it. It's been quite a while. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.